Welcome to Jeazie's Cribs. Alright y'all, today we're in Des Moines, Iowa, which is 2 hours away from Omaha, Nebraska. We're only staying here for one night, so we decided to get a quick little room. We're gonna start you off right now with the microwave. Reason why I point the microwave out first, because there's never microwaves in hotel rooms, so it's a blessing to have a microwave. We got the refrigerator, but like I said, we're only gonna be here for a day, so we probably won't have nothing in there. Okay, we're gonna take you over here. They got the sink. This is my first time seeing the sink when you walk right in here. So the sink is right here. Look, we even got a little, the dryer. I thought it was something else, but yeah, we got a dryer. You know, the regular stuff, the sink, the soap, no Lysol, gotta keep Lysol. We'll take you over to here. Here's the bathroom, toilet, shower, bathtub, you know, for us to get fresh in and all that. I think this is this is a closet. You know, got the iron board and the iron, you know, in case we need to iron some stuff up, that's the closet. Now I'm gonna take y'all to the master bedroom. Oh, it's right here. This is our master bedroom, but as you know, we got the nice bed because we always love the lovely bed. So this is just our room for the night because we're gonna stay here for one night. And we got the TV over here. Good thing you got the flat screen, so when we get back later on, we can watch TV and just chill out. So we gotta go back home. I like this little thing right here. Let me move this back. I like this. It's just like a little seat. I mean, I don't know why it's right here because it ain't gonna be blocking the TV, but yeah, I like that. Of course, we can't forget about the selfie mirror. Gotta have the selfie mirror before we walk out. You know what I'm saying? Then we got the little desk over here. If we want to do some work, because we came here like just for a little quick staycation, but also we networking. So you know, we want to do some little work, all that. Got that. Got to do a little view out here. You know, so we can see outside. It's just a parking lot in another hotel, but you know, at least you can see. When we come over here, we got another seat. Or just sit down and chill. You know. Then you know, of course, we got our little stands. What they call them, nightstands. Got the nightstands for both sides. You know, we got this stuff right there. Got the charging ports. And got the clock. This is like a famous clock because it's in every freaking hotel. So this is where we staying at, man. We in Des Moines, Iowa, getting ready for the Clash of the Clippers Barber Battle and the Battle of Salons. And we're gonna be supporting Selena, which is our barber in the barbershop. Eazie Cuts Barbershop, as you see, she entered the contest, so she gonna win that thing and bring it home. You know what I'm saying? If y'all ever in Omaha, Nebraska, y'all hit us up. Eazie Cuts Barbershop / the bar. Yeah, we got a bar in the barbershop. So besides that, we might just have fun, man. They go network with other barbers from all around and you know, just turn up, man. Welcome to Des Moines, Jeazie's Cribs, another one, and I'm out.